Preeti, that's a huge statement for a chief minister to make. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, she believes there should be a Supreme Court monitored investigation
Gaurav?
into the air crash that's killed Ajit Dada Pawar. She says, was he planning to leave the Mahayuti? Preeti, let's listen into her. I'll come back to you for more on this and we'll take this forward. But let's listen into Mamata Banerjee once again.
Message of Ajit Pawar, Deputy Chief Minister. He died today morning in a plane crash. I'm really shocked to see the news. There is no safety and security of the people of this country. Even the political leaders, I do not know what is the fate of the opposition political parties, but he was very much with the ruling party. But before few days ago, I came to know that from social network that somebody from other party, they gave a statement that Ajit Pawar is willing to leave the BJP. And now what happened today, I need proper investigation under the supervision of Supreme Court. Only we have the trust on Supreme Court, no other agency. All the agencies are being totally purchased. And really it's a great loss for the country.
Big story. Mamata Banerjee says there should be a Supreme Court monitored investigation. In midst of all this, there are civil aviation officials who've reached VSR Aviation's office. There are four aviation officials that have reached the office of VSR in Delhi. VSR Aviation is the company that was operating this aircraft. It's based in Delhi. It flies aircraft, non-scheduled chartered aircraft to these airports like Baramati. They've operated in this area extensively. In fact, Captain, the head of VSR Aviation just told India Today that he personally has flown Ajit Dada Pawar several times from Mumbai to Baramati. But now, Preeti, this is a matter of investigation and becomes political with this huge point made by Mamata Banerjee.
Well, the fact is, Gaurav, and that's the news that, we want to just expand it right there. This is a claim now not just made by a sitting Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. This is the claim which is now being made by multiple leaders from opposition parties. And I'll give you an example. Mamata Banerjee has just come out and made a statement saying that a proper investigation needs to take place immediately. She suspects conspiracy in that. But let's just give you a little, to diversify it a little. You have Gaurav Gogoi from the Congress. His state is also going into election, and we're going to put out his tweet in just a short while ago, because where he says, deepest condolences, saddened by the sudden passing away of Ajit Pawarji, but his tweet on social media, on the platform X, says it is important that a proper and transparent investigation in the incident is carried out in public interest. Along with Gaurav Gogoi, you have a Lalu Prasad Yadav who said a proper investigation should be carried out in public interest. Prakash Ambedkar, who is a leader from Maharashtra, says need a proper investigation to be carried out in public interest. So you have now a political narrative being spun hours after the demise of the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Where not just Mamata Banerjee, Gaurav, you have a Gaurav Gogoi, you have Lalu Yadav, you have a Prakash Ambedkar, all coming together and demanding a clean and fair investigation in public interest. Mamata Banerjee, of course, has gone a step further, saying there's conspiracy.
And wanting a Supreme Court monitored probe. We'll talk about that in great detail because that adds an absolutely new dimension to this air crash. India Today spoke to Captain VK Singh, who operates VSR Aviation. Aviation officials are at that office. Listen in.
सर, वीके सिंह जी, ये जो एयरक्राफ्ट बारामती में आज क्रैश हुआ है, ये आपकी कंपनी का एयरक्राफ्ट था?
जी हाँ, ये हमारी कंपनी का था।
अभी इनिशियल आप लोगों की क्या प्राइमा फेसाई डिटेल्स आप लोग कलेक्ट कर पाए सर?
हमारी ना बात नहीं हो पा रही है सर किसी से, क्योंकि एटीसी से भी बात नहीं हो पा रही है। एटीसी वाले भी सब क्रैश साइट पे चले गए हैं, तो इसलिए प्राइमा फेसी मुझे कुछ नहीं पता सर, सिवाय इसके कि बॉम्बे से एयरक्राफ्ट चला था, बारामती जा रहा था और बारामती में अप्रोच पे ये हादसा हुआ है सर।
जो दो पायलट थे इस क्राफ्ट के, उनके नाम क्या हैं सर?
कैप्टन सुमित कपूर और कैप्टन शांभवी पाठक।
कैप्टन सुमित कपूर एंड शांभवी पाठक। सर, इनका फ्लाइंग एक्सपीरियंस क्या था, आप कुछ शेयर कर पाएंगे?
सर मैं अभी आपसे कुछ भी शेयर नहीं कर पाऊंगा और सर आप समझिए इस बात को कि मेरे को कितने कॉल्स आ रहे हैं।
मैं सर एक और
give me some time.
आखिरी सवाल
Give
सर
me
आपसे,
some time.
जी
Give me
आखिरी
some
सवाल
time
सर आपसे
to
ये है,
to answer all these
जी
questions.
सर आखिरी सवाल आपसे ये है कि 2023 में भी आपके ही विमान कंपनी और सेम मॉडल के साथ हादसा हुआ था, तो क्या इसको लेके आप लोगों ने सेफ्टी अपग्रेड्स या जो प्रिकॉशंस होते हैं वो सब कुछ किया या नहीं किया, ये एक बड़ा सवाल इस वक्त उठ रहा है
Sir,
सर।
the aircraft is 100% safe. The crew was fairly experienced. I personally think he maybe because of visibility or maybe the pilot misjudged the runway. You know,
Oh.
I prima facie मैं सिर्फ ये
जी
देख पा रहा हूँ.
जी
You know,
ओके
बाकी
सर,
तो DGC इन्वेस्टिगेट करेगी सर.
जी
You know, I'm not the investigator.
जी
You know.
Okay, India Today, Shreya Chatterjee now joins us for more on this big story. Shreya, so we now know Captain Sumit Kapoor and Captain Shambhavi V. Pathak were piloting this aircraft. The aviation, operators seem to indicate that it may have been bad weather. But what more do we know? One, about VSR Aviation, their track record, and the current investigations that are underway.
Gaurav, I'm actually right outside the office of VSR Enterprise. This is the Delhi office where the 4-member team, I am being confirmed right now, from the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau are presently there. There are 4 members who are present over there, along with the office member of VSR Ventures. We can actually confirm that this is the first step into the investigation that's already begun. First, that we are getting you these developments from the VSR Ventures office at Delhi. It's a high-profile incident. This is but obvious that this would be the protocol, but we are now getting confirmation that all the 4 officials, those visuals that we got, were from the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, and these are the visuals that I'm showing you. These are all officers who had reached just half an hour back at VSR Ventures office to take a detailed understanding and report of what really had transpired, and they are right now inspecting the office premises. This is the AAIB team that we are being told who are now inspecting all the office premises of VSR Ventures.
Stay on with me. You know, what we're going to do for the benefit of our viewers, we're going to piece together the sequence of events when the chartered aircraft took off from Mumbai at 8 a.m. and at 8:45 where it crashed. Of course, it was an emergency landing. Many eyewitness accounts seem to suggest that the aircraft was wobbly in the air. It was drifting away from the strip, and then, of course, it plummeted when it was about 100 feet up from the ground. These are all eyewitness accounts.